In this video, I'll detail how to use voice to text on iPhone. So if you're using iPhone and you want to use voice to text so that you can easily type without using the keyboard on your iPhone by using your voice command to type in each of the words that you pronounce, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to enable voice to text on your iPhone. Now to do this, the first thing you want to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Once you selected General, scroll down and click on Keyboard. Then scroll down again, locate Enable Detection and click on the toggle. Then click on Enable Detection from the pop. Once that is enabled, then go back to the messaging app on your iPhone. Then you'll see this detection button at the bottom right. If you click on this once, this is going to type everything you pronounce or your iPhone can pick around as a text message. So you see that? So this is to tell you started using the voice to text on your iPhone. You can use this on any application, including your messaging application, Messenger, WhatsApp, just name it. Then so just need to tap the text box as if you want to type on your iPhone, whether you're using WhatsApp or any application like this. Then click on this to pop up the keyboard. Then click on the voice to text at the bottom right. Hey, this video is about how to use voice to text on iPhone on iOS 18 and all other iPhone in 2024 and 25. You see that? Then to disable this on your iPhone, you just need to just repeat the process. Go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to go to General, click on it. Then come down again, locate keyboard, then disable dictation, then turn off dictation. After that, you discover that the voice to text feature is no longer available. So this is how you can easily use voice to text on iPhone in 2024 on iOS 18. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.